Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Crystal and I'm a freelance makeup artist that drives for Uber part-time. Today we're going to talk about unemployment and the stimulus check, anything that Uber and Lyft drivers can benefit from right now during this time. Before I get into this video though, please hit the subscribe button down below. That would help us out so much. And please give this video a like if you want to see me more on the channel. Now let's go ahead and get into this Q&A session. So for the first question, you guys may be asking, how do I apply for unemployment? So each unemployment varies state by state. So what you'll do is you'll go to your search engine on your computer and you'll type in unemployment, whatever state you're in. So for example, I'm in California, so I would type in California unemployment. And the website that I'm looking for, or anybody in California, the website that you are looking for is www.edd.ca.gov. And make sure it's a .gov because this is a government related service. So it would not be a .com, it would not be .net, nothing like that, not .org. Make sure it's .gov. So from what I see, not all states are set up yet, but I know that California is. It's just been kind of a hassle though to get into that website, so just keep on trying day by day. They have certain hours and all of that. We can show you a screenshot of their hours right now. Not all states are set up yet, and some states have allotted time slots to call. So for California, I know there are 3 ways to apply. You could do it online, you could do it by phone, or by mail. So obviously a lot of us are going to do online. However, it does still have certain hours to apply, what hours you can apply online. So we'll go ahead and show you a screenshot of that right now. Here are the hours for California's unemployment. And like I said, this varies state by state, so just search your state unemployment benefits and it should come up. Question number 2, how much will Uber and Lyft drivers get from unemployment? So I know this ranges state by state as well, so there's no exact number for you, but I know for California, you can get up to $600 per week from the federal government, and then you'll get some state money. Okay, question number 3. Question number 3, how do you claim your stimulus check for Uber and Lyft drivers? So the stimulus check is separate from unemployment, and the stimulus check, that is claimed through your taxes. So you will need to file for 2018 or 2019, and they're gonna go off those taxes. Based on your taxes, if you have direct deposit set up, that money will go directly to your bank account. The stimulus check is a $1,200 check from the federal government. If you guys have any comments, please leave them down below if you guys have already done the process or maybe you received any money so far. Once again, you're watching the Rideshare Hub and my name is Crystal, and I will see you guys in part 2.